Good day everyone! We are going to learn about recognizing names. Now, we are going to discuss about nouns. What do you think about nouns? A noun is a word for a person, place, animal, or thing. Everything we can see or talk about is represented by a word that names it. That naming word is called a noun. Nouns are names of people, names of animals, names of places, and names of things. Now, let us discuss first the names of people. The names of people are Nurse, Magician, and Mr. Gomez. When we say names of people, include the personal name of a person. Example of sentence in names of people. Number 1. My mother and father are precious to me. Number 2. Dr. Jose Rizal is our national hero. The names of people indicate in two examples are mother, father, and Dr. Jose Rizal. Now, let's move on to the names of animals. In the picture, we have dog, whale, and lion. Example of sentence in names of animals. Number 1. Salem is my cat. Number 2. A sea lion has ear of flaps. The names of animals indicate in two examples are Salem and sea lion. In the first example, Salem is my cat, so the name of the cat is Salem. Let us proceed to the names of things. Examples of names of things are piano, kite, and books. Examples of sentence in names of things are Number 1. My mom bought some pencils, paper, and notebook. Number 2. The kitten is under the mat. The names of things indicate in two examples are pencils, paper, and notebook, and also mat. Next, names of places. The example of name of places are playground, school, and hospital. The example of sentence in names of places are Number 1. The car is in the garage. Number 2. We saw many animals at the zoo. The names of places indicate in two examples are garage and zoo. Do you have a question, class? If none, so let's have a activity. For me to know if you really understand our lesson for today, kindly answer activity in your English book. Thank you and have a good day.